Now that spring is here, a lot of people are thinking about doing some spring cleaning. But there is one spot that is often forgotten and should be added to the list: your digital clutter. We use our devices to shop, scroll, bank, and work, so it's important to give yourself a digital makeover from time to time. Follow these simple proactive tips from Better Business Bureau to help you safeguard your device. Lock down your login. Security is critical to protecting accounts being used for work and for home. Ensure passphrases for each account are lengthy, unique, and safely stored. Enable two-factor authentication on all accounts that offer it. Update your system and software. Avoid procrastination. Having the most current software, web browsers, and operating systems are some of the easiest and fastest ways to protect your most sensitive assets. Back it up. Protect your personal and workplace data by making electronic copies or backups of your most important files. Follow the 3-2-1 rule to help guide you. 3 backup copies, 2 different media types, and 1 offline in a separate location. Clean up your online presence. Do you use all of the apps on your device? Do you know the settings you have set on your social media accounts? Check up on all of your apps and accounts. Be careful what you share. It might be fun to keep up with the social media trends or take the quiz you saw, but how much personal information are the trends or quizzes giving away? Are you downloading malware to your device by taking the quiz? Or perhaps giving away answers to your security passwords posting to social media? Think before you post or click. For more help, visit bbb.org or give us a call at 800-828-5000.